Everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at something I just got in from Centerfire Systems. If you guys are signed up for their emails, you might notice here recently they've been running a lot of Christmas specials, holiday specials, whatever you want to call it. And one of the things they had in there was what they call a loot bag, which is what they say is $50 worth of stuff for like $19.99. Going off the assumption that's probably just a bunch of odds and ends stuff that they probably rounded up in their warehouse. That would be my guess. But be that as it may, I figured, well, I'll bite. You know, I'll take a look at it. I'll take a chance, see what it is, see what comes in it. Give you guys kind of a general idea of what you could expect, because I know every one of those they say are unique and different, you know, the whole marketing thing. But anyway, so I just got this in today. I also ordered 3 of the Yugoslavian M77 mags. I think they were in good condition. They were $29.99 a piece. Main reason for getting them is I wanted to check them in my Zastava M77 to see if they would actually fit, which I think they will. But on the same token, they also seem more durable than the CS specs mags. Plus, they're more original. Judging by the photos on their website, they had a little bit of rust on them, stuff like that. No big deal. But anyway, I also ordered 3 more from Apex Gun Parts. I haven't gotten those yet, but when I do get them in, I'll do a side-by-side comparison. But just for grins, this box is about 24 inches in length, roughly 8 inches by 8 inches. It's a pretty large box. We're going to get off into it, so you guys can kind of have an idea of what to expect. I don't know if these loot boxes are worth it. They may not be. I don't have a clue. But let's check this out. So there's my Yugo mags. One is quite rusty, while one is, well, quite rusty on one side. Interesting. While one is actually really nice. Cool mag. Very beefy. I like that. But yeah, rusty on one side and not on the other. But it feels like it's just some surface rust. Probably clean up relatively easy. There's a pretty good scuff here. Anyway, seeing as how I have a battlefield or a battle-worn M77, this would probably look really cool with it. Let's set those to the side. I got another mag sitting down in here. So there's the other one. Do have some strange markings on them. Now I noticed I recently got in some Yugoslavian AK mags that look a lot like this. You guys will probably see that video before this one, just because of timing. And they had that same weird electro penciling right here. But the mag looks great. I mean, 2 of the 3 look quite nice. The third one, it's not a big deal. It looks like, get my invoice out of here first. But it looks like this is that loot bag. I have no clue what this could be. Could be a bunch of slings. Could be anything. It's kind of comical how they tied it up here. That's kind of cool. You know, just kind of old school, old Christmas movie-esque. And of course I just messed it up and made that knot tighter. I do kind of like that, actually. Of course, we'll find out if what's in the box or in the bag is worth $19.99. I don't have a clue. But you guys will find out with me. Well, this is rather interesting. So what have we got here? This is our loot bag. It's kind of interesting. That is a gas mask bag. Not really sure what I'm going to do with a gas mask bag. I guess throw a bunch of mags in it, maybe. I don't know. Blackhawk one. There is the part number. Oh, wait, that's not the part number. That's their phone number. Wow. It says Omega Elite Gas Mask pouch bag. Interesting. Set of Bushnell binoculars, 16 by 32. Of course, these are some. That is a Glock mag pouch that was thrown in there. Looks like we got a knife in here as well. Yeah, not too bad. I don't know if there's anything else in here. I don't think there is. I think that is pretty much it. I don't know how much these run, actually. I'm gonna have to do some research onto that. Even though that is a gas mask bag, of course it has a drop attachment, or you could carry it around your, I guess around your shoulder too if you wanted to. You could use that for a lot of different things. I mean, you could make this into like a little small pack, maybe carry some MREs in here, something else. You can use it for all sorts of different things. It does have a side pouch on it. I guess that's for an extra filter. It's kind of neat. Just a cheaper Blackhawk knife, CQD Mark I Type E. I know nothing about these. Absolutely nothing. After I get through with this video, I'm going to look all this stuff up and see what the value is on this, because I am kind of curious myself. And just a set of Bushnell PowerView 2 binoculars. I can't use these because I have glasses. However, my kids can use them for hunting, or any of my friends can use them. And then lastly, these Glock mag pouches, just cheap mag pouches. Nothing special, obviously made in Korea, but you know, not too bad. Something to have. Do I think it's worth 50 bucks? I don't know, because I don't know anything about all this stuff. I'm gonna have to look it up. Now, like I said, they say everyone's different and unique, so every bag's gonna be different. This is just what I got. You know, I think this could definitely be usable, which I guess that's pretty good. Knife, yes. Mags, yeah, or mag pouches, yes. Binoculars, usable for someone that doesn't have glasses. I mean, there are people with glasses that use them, but I don't. But all that for 20 bucks. Do I think it's worth 20 bucks? Yeah, I think it's worth 20 bucks. Is it worth 50? I'm not sure yet. I haven't done my research. But anyway, that, and then there are the Yugoslavian M77 mags. Once again, this one just has some light surface rust, which I could clean up with just some steel wool and some Vaseline, or I could rust blue them, make it look really nice. I've got different options there, but when I get in the ones from Apex, I'll make sure and do a comparison so you guys will know what to expect. I want to say Apex was running for roughly the same price, and I'm always curious to see between different companies that offer the same products at the same condition level at the same price, to see who's got the nicer stuff. Sometimes it's luck of the draw, which would be my guess. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank my subscribers, and thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments. Definitely helps out the channel. I will try to do a better job of posting deals like this in the future. You guys may not be, you know, interested in stuff like this, but you know, other things you might be. And I will, like I said, I will try to do a much better job of being more diligent and letting you guys know about deals like this. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, y'all have a great day.